Hello everyone, it's Douglas for a Gardener's Notebook. You know, every garden, once it's been together for long enough, sort of becomes a memorial garden, and my garden is no different. These Gerbera daisies came from the memorial service of a very good friend of ours, and every time we see them bloom, it reminds us of him. The Dracaena in the back and this Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe here in front came from friends of my wife's mother when she passed last July. And again, it's a great reminder to have in the garden. Additionally, we have a lime tree over that way that was given to us by a friend of my wife's mother. And we've actually engaged in this as well. Our relatives in Sicily have a tremendously wonderful garden that we see every time we visit there. And when our cousin passed a few years ago, instead of sending flowers or anything else, we told them that the next time we visited, we'd purchase something for the garden and put it there. And that's exactly what we did. We bought a lemon tree, their favorite lemon tree, planted it in their garden, and even included a small plaque in memory of Serafino. I think it's a great way of memorializing our friends and our family members who have gone.